This is a quick video that I'm gonna make because it's really cold out and I think people might be able to benefit from this. So this is just a plasticky kind of surface here, and this is packing tape. It's Gorilla Tape, which is non-natural Gorilla Tape. This is fairly good stuff. It's serrated so it rips easy. If you can see that. Dang it. It's serrated. Wow, whatever. And it's gonna make a short length, but you can do this on your door, or you can do it in sections like this. I just tack it down. I don't, I want it to come off of here easy, so I don't. Wow, this thing, watch what focusing. There you go. So I just tack it here, tack it there, and then starting in the middle. Hold that out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Curl that around. Come and just tack it down like that, and then go about halfway from there, and I tack it down again. Keep going in halvesies. Tack it down, go to the bottom center half, tack it down, and then at the very bottom tack that down, and then just kind of pinching like that. Just run your finger up like that, and then you've got a nice air pocket here. And if you don't want that to seal again, I don't have it handy, but you could even take a little bit of graphite marking and spray that down in there. Hold the camera up here like this. There you go. Go up there. Thank you. And I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of that in there. Look at that. Look at there. And that should hopefully keep it from sticking too much. Yeah. So now the bubble will stay. Probably you can do a little bit more. Probably just put it in there, pinching the other end. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna pull it off, and I'm pinching the bottom, and then I'll just kind of, you see what I'm doing here? Just kind of shake it up in there. If you want it to be clear, this makes it kind of dark, which might be unattractive. So then you just stick it. Are you watching? Turn it this way. Turn the camera this way. There is it up. So that is the time thing on the top. And then I got the stuff in front of the door. I needed a little bit extra down here at the bottom though. The bottom is still. I have a thermal camera and I can see what's going on. So I'm just gonna take this. You can see I already have a strip on here. Go ahead and just come around here. It's cold. So I'm gonna just go ahead and stick that down there like that. That'll give me a little bit of extra protection down here at the bottom of the door. All right, and I'm gonna close the door. That's cool. I'm just gonna close that up like that. And you can see now I've got like a double seal here. See that? There's like a double seal. Hopefully that will, it's minus 22 out, I think, something like that. All right. Hopefully that helps people keep their houses a little warmer today. Go ahead. And what do we do?
Like and subscribe.
Hey.